Are you looking for a tool that can deal with the long taproot on a pesky perennial weed and also aerate the soil without exposing all the buried annual weed seeds, destroying the soil structure, or burning up fossil fuels? Consider using the Broadfork. In this sponsored video, I will show you how to assemble and use a very well-made, inexpensive Broadfork.
Hello, this is Stephen from Short Season Garden, and I offer tips and tricks for gardening in any climate, but especially for short seasons like here in Zone 3B, Zone 4A in Eastern Canada. So give my video a thumbs up and a comment, subscribe to my channel, or you can check me out on Instagram or Facebook at Short Season Garden.
Before I start, I have to tell you that as an Amazon affiliate, I make a commission from the sale of this Broadfork. Of course, that doesn't affect your price. You can find the product link in the video description. This 5-tine 20-inch Broadfork, together with its handles, comes complete with hardware and even wrenches in a sturdy cardboard box. Although there are instructions included, you basically just line up holes in the handles, push the bolts through the holes, add the nuts, and tighten. I did find a ratchet and socket with a wrench was easier and faster for tightening the lock nuts than the included wrenches. The Broadfork is ergonomically designed with solid steel handles with comfortable non-slip foam grips. The thickened steel construction with its green coating resists rusting. The fully assembled Broadfork stands 55 inches tall with tines nearly 12 inches long. To use the Broadfork, simply straddle the row and use one or both feet to push the tines deeply into the soil. Then use your body weight to pull back the handles and loosen the soil before stepping back 10 to 12 inches to repeat the process. If you do notice any deeply rooted weeds, you can pull the handles back further, reach down and completely remove the roots by hand. While mechanical tilling is great for fluffing the surface, it disturbs the soil structure, brings weed seeds to the surface, and chops up the roots of perennial weeds, causing them to spread, and often leaves a hardpan layer beneath that fluffy surface. I've been enjoying the benefits of no-till gardening since I bought my first Broadfork in 2022. I really like this one and hope you will check out the product link below. While you're at it, give the video a thumbs up and a comment, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you in the next video.